Many countries around the world are expecting the visits of more Chinese tourists to boost local tourism and economy. Thai government spokesperson Chai Wacharanki said on Friday that Thailand is targeting 8 million tourists from China this year, as the country will waive visa requirements for Chinese citizens starting March the 1st. After the opening of the Chinese-invested Siem Reap Anchor International Airport in last November, locals are expecting to welcome more Chinese tourists in the future.
ចាបងចំពោះភ្ញៀវទេសចរចិនគឺនេះខ្ញុំគិតថាពួកគាត់ក៏បានរួមចំណែកជាមួយនឹងការធ្វើឲ្យវិស័យទេសចរនៅក្នុងខេត្តសៀមរាបរីកចម្រើនពីព្រោះថាពួកគាត់បានជួយជាវជាវត្ថុអនុស្សាវរីយ៍ក៏ដូចជាបានដើរទស្សនានៅតាមប្រាសាទនានាធ្វើឲ្យវិស័យទេសចររបស់យើងរីកចម្រើនដូចគ្នាចំពោះនេះខ្ញុំសូមអំពាវនាវដល់អ្នកវិនិយោគចិនអ្នកវិនិយោគទុនជនជាតិចិនក៏ដូចជាភ្ញៀវទេសចរជនជាតិចិនអាចអញ្ជើញមកលេងប្រទេសកម្ពុជាក៏ដូចជាខេត្តសៀមរាបផ្ទាល់ព្រោះថាយើងមានប្រាសាទអង្គរវត្ត
Egyptian Minister of Tourism and Antiquities Ahmed Issa has said that Egypt seeks to attract 3 million Chinese tourists annually by 2028.
The way to 3 million tourists, Chinese tourists each year by 2028 means 60,000 tourists a week. And I welcome Chinese hotel owners and investors to invest in the Egyptian hotels.